Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Trello's calendar view for scheduling. This is your full guide for 2025. First and foremost, you'll need to add the calendar power-up to your Trello board. Simply click on Show Menu, then Power-Ups, and finally, Calendar. Now, why do we do this? It's simple. The calendar power-up allows you to visualize all your tasks in a calendar format, making it easier to manage your schedule. Now that we've done that, let's move on to activating your calendar view. Just click on the top right-hand corner where it says Calendar. The reason we do this is to switch from the standard board view to a calendar layout, which provides a different perspective of your tasks and deadlines. Next up, we're going to add tasks to our calendar. To do this, simply click on any date and add a new card. Remember to include a name for the task and set a due date. This helps us because it allows us to visually map out when each task needs to be completed, offering a clear overview of our workload and deadlines. Now let's get into the nitty-gritty of scheduling. You can drag and drop cards to different dates to reschedule them. Here's what's happening behind the scenes when you do this. Trello automatically updates the due date on the card. The beauty of this feature is that it enables quick and easy rescheduling and helps in maintaining flexibility in your plans. Lastly, don't forget you can view completed tasks by clicking Done in the calendar view. This is important because it gives you a sense of accomplishment and allows you to track your progress. To wrap things up, Trello's calendar view is a powerful tool for scheduling and managing your tasks. By adding the calendar power-up, activating the calendar view, adding tasks, rescheduling them when needed, and tracking your completed tasks, you can stay on top of your schedule like never before. That's it for today's guide on how to use Trello's calendar view for scheduling. Stay organized and keep hustling.